Hi, today we will prepare some amazing aged tenderloins from Argentina and a delicious creamy mushroom sauce which complements this meat perfectly. For this recipe we use white wine, mushrooms, cream, garlic, white onions, fresh rosemary, aged beef tenderloin steaks, fresh parsley, ground pepper, salt and butter. We start to tie our tenderloins. We want them to be round and thick. Just follow these steps. When done, we season with coarse salt and black pepper. Season it well on all sides. We clean a white onion and we dice it. Doesn't need to be too fine. We do the same with the garlic. After that we chop some fresh parsley. We don't use the stem, just the leaves. In a pan on high heat we add some butter. Followed by the tenderloins, some rosemary and garlic. We sear them until they get a nice golden crust and we check the internal temperature of the meat. At 55 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit they are done. In the same pan in which we made the meat we add the chopped onion and the garlic. We sear them until translucent and we add the mushrooms. We season with salt and ground pepper. We give it a mix and we cool it down with the white wine. We bring it to a boil and we cook it for a minute until the wine is evaporated and we add the cream. And last, we add the freshly chopped parsley. Our meat did rest for 8 minutes. The resting time is important to be sure that the meat will be juicy. We slice it up and this is how it looks like. We add some sauce on top and we are done. We love this recipe. The amazing tender and juicy meat with this silky smooth sauce is just perfect for a nice dinner. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our video then subscribe, like or leave a comment below. See you next time.